We're going to teach you today how to do the throat flick.
Yes.
The throat flick. You don't seem very excited, but it's fine. It's okay.
I know.
Okay, can you start? Teach me the throat
Okay.
flick.
Basically,
Yeah,
yeah, you need to do.
Of course, yeah, please.
So I'm not exactly flicking my throat.
Okay.
I'm flicking my finger,
Okay,
and I'm keeping my finger over here on my throat.
okay.
So,
Wrong hand.
so you've got to flick your middle finger with your index finger, and use your ring finger in the middle. So you just got to snap and flick your middle finger and keep it here. So, and I forgot to mention that you need to hollow your throat as well.
Hollow your throat.
Yeah.
Hollow.
Yeah.
Okay. And then?
And that's when you do the throat flick.
It's not working.
That's because you're flicking your throat directly.
So I'm flicking my throat. I have to flick my finger. How about I keep my hand there?
Yeah, I think you can do that.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
okay.
it's working. No, you're not hollowing throat.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, wait, hollow my throat. Okay, I've got to hollow my throat. Okay, so that's the basic idea,
Yeah.
right? You can't do it with an E sound.
no.
Can you try with an E sound?
E is like
Sort of.
sort of, yeah.
Okay, go O. Okay, U. You can actually hear these sounds.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it once again. Slowly, get it, little by little. So practice.
Yeah.
How long did you take to get this?
Oh, this is what actually got me into beatboxing.
Really?
Yeah.
Like how long ago was this?
Almost 3 years ago.
Wow. And how long did you take to actually learn this?
No, I was just listening to music and I just started like.
Yeah. Can you do that again, please?
Okay.
Again. It's working.